Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English Plus.
Very, indeed a very common word in English. How often do you use very in your everyday English conversations? Don't be a word bore and stop speaking basic English and improve your English speaking. Today, I will teach you how to stop saying very and use better word replacements and speak English fluently and confidently. So, let's get started. Stop saying very beautiful. You can say gorgeous. Stop saying very afraid. You can say fearful. Stop saying very calm. You can say serene. Stop saying very angry. You can say furious. Stop saying very short. You can say brave. Stop saying very big. You can say massive. Stop saying very shiny. You can say gleaming. Stop saying very clean. You can say spotless. Stop saying very worried. You can say distressed. Stop saying very confused. You can say perplexed. Stop saying very weak. You can say frail. Stop saying very creative. You can say innovative. Stop saying very unhappy. You can say miserable. Stop saying very dirty. You can say filthy. Stop saying very tasty. You can say delicious. Stop saying very funny. You can say hilarious. Stop saying very sure. You can say certain. Stop saying very good. You can say excellent or awesome. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and press the bell icon and never miss an update. Stay safe and be healthy.